Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Flucases spike in packing emergency rooms and leading to dozens of deaths. Flu cases are surging across Pennsylvania, with hospitals and health officials characterizing the current flu season as severe and likely to get worse. According to federal data, 42 people have died from flu-related complications in Pennsylvania this season. Hospitals are seeing a significant increase in emergency room visits, with some up 10% compared to last year. This is putting a strain on the healthcare system. Experts attribute the surge to the H3N2 strain, which is a different variant from the one in this year's flu shots, allowing it to evade immunity from previous infections or vaccines. Health officials are strongly recommending everyone get the flu vaccine, especially those over 65 or with pre-existing conditions, as it can still provide protection against severe illness. Distinguishing between the flu and COVID-19 can be difficult, so testing is the only sure way to know which illness a person has. Symptoms can be similar, but the onset of symptoms may differ. Advice from experts includes staying home if you're sick, avoiding close contact with those who are ill, and seeking medical attention if you're over 65 or have underlying health conditions. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.